and welcome to a short information tutorial on how to get the old iTunes back on Catalina. The problem with music is I don't like it. It is an awful app. When I'm searching through my music or I want to see some lyrics or stuff, so I'm searching through my music, I want to search for one song in my album view. I always have to go back, and normally this time it didn't make it, of course, but normally it goes back to the top. So I'm scrolling down on my, I don't know, 3,000 songs or what, and no, it's not the song I wanted, and then it's scrolling back on top. And this is what I don't like about the new music. I want to have my old view back. And here's a trick on how you can do it. There's a guy on the internet who made a patch tool, very easy usable, for bringing back iTunes, bringing back the old iPhoto, and bringing back Aperture. So I have the link here. The link is in the description. It is a GitHub page from a very nice guy. I spent him $1 or something. Download the tool from this link. I already did it. To run this tool, you have to disable the Gatekeeper if you didn't already have done it. I put this command in the description of the video. Just open terminal, type in this command, press enter, press in your password, and then you can see in the system settings in security, on the security option, that you can install any app from anywhere. And if you don't want to install apps from anywhere anymore, you just have to type in this command again and change disable to enable, press enter, and everything will be alright. So let's go back to the tool. You can see here you can unlock Aperture if you already have installed it. You can unlock iPhoto, you have to install it from the App Store, and you can install iTunes. And you have 3 choices from which iTunes version you want to have. I prefer the dark mode. This tool will download iTunes for you. It will install the patch, install iTunes, and you can use it. I already have done this, as you can see, and here it is. Everything is usable, everything works. Just have fun with your old iTunes and the old view that I prefer, seeing my old albums. So thank you very much for watching, and until the next time.